Hello guys, welcome to another video of Tech Therapy Guy. Today I'm going to show you a tool that Windows 10 has called Snipping Tool. Snipping Tool is to capture screenshots in any Windows or screen in your computer. There's different ways to get on it. Right now I have it right here as an icon, but you can call it right here. Go Snipping Tool, that one right here. And once you open it right there, this is the menu. Let's see, let's open my Chrome right here. And let's see, we want to copy this paragraph right here. There's different ways, there's different modes. There's the freeform snip, which is a drag freeform shape around the object. The rectangular snip, drag the cursors around an object for a form of rectangle. And the select window snip is a select window, such a dialog box that you can want to capture. And the full screen snip, which is capture the entire screen. In this case, we're going to use a rectangle. Once we have it there, you see our screen kind of grayed out. That means that we have all this to select. Anything you want to select here, you copy. In this case, we want to copy this paragraph here. You can just click, hold the mouse, drag it, and now all this is copied. From here, we can do different things before we save it. We can actually, with the pen, we can mark, we can highlight right here, the highlighter. If we can highlight, you can highlight certain parts. That's the erase button to erase all this. Okay, you can actually edit in any app that you want. In this case, edit with Paint 3D. And you can save it, or you can just simply save it. You go to File, Save As, and you can put it in any file that you want. Okay, we can save it here, and let's name it, I don't know, First Shot. Yeah, and now it's saved right there. If we go right here to our folder, and now it's right here, it's saved right there, First Shot. And it will open it in this to show us the page. But we can use it to save it in any files. Let's see if we go to, if we open Microsoft Word, new page, and we want to insert a picture. In this case, will be a picture. We go to our folder where we save it, right there, and click Insert. Now we have it right here, while we copy from the web page or the website. Let's try this. See if you're on YouTube and you see some pictures or any part you want to save as a snap, capture a screenshot. We do it again. We go to Snip. Let's open the menu. Click New, and let's see. We want to save this part right here. And that's it. It's saved. I mean, the screenshot is done. We have to save it. If you close it, it's not going to save it. It's going to be gone. But right here, it's going to tell you, do you want to save, change the snip? You click yes. And it will tell you where you want to save it. Let's see. We're going to create a screenshot number 2. Now it's safe. And we can do the same thing. We can copy it in Word. Right here, after this one, we go insert another picture. We have that one, inserter, right there. You can resize it, rotate it, any way you want. Okay. So remember, you can find it right here in Tools, or you can just simply call it. Of course, Snipping Tools. You only have to put SNI. You already found this app, and it opens it. Okay. That's it for this video. I hope you guys like it. Thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe. And if you have any other videos you would like to watch for me to do, please let me know. Please leave a comment, like it will help a lot. And see you guys next time. Thank you.